Dear students, now we will see second part of unit 1, that is mobility management. So in this modern times, people are mobile, means people are shifting from one place to another. So in that case, what we have to do? We have to inform to the post office of our new address, and we have to inform to the credit card companies of our new address. Okay, so that the post office can give the letters or to our new address, and credit card companies can give the credit card bills to our new address. Okay, so this same thing is required in the mobility management. Okay, so when the mobile nodes are moving from one place to another, so mobility management, to ensure that a mobile node M is able to communicate with some other node in a network, the networking infrastructure has to ensure that the M's location, so it may be access point in wireless local area network and base station in the cellular network, can be determined so that a route can be established between M and N. Okay, second thing is, when M moves out of the range of current AP, that is access point, it establishes a connection with the another AP. And third is, the connection and data packets are routed correctly to the new AP. Okay, so the first task, which requires maintaining the current location of every mobile node in the network, is known as the location management. And this location management consists of two operations, that is search and update. So what is search? Search is invoked by a node when it wants to communicate with another node. So if he search that mobile node, then the connection is established. And second operation is update operation, that is also called as the registration operation. So it is performed to inform the system of the mobile node's current location. Okay, so update operation is necessary. If update operation is not performed on the mobile node, then the search cost is increased. Then location information can be maintained at various granularities. So in a cellular system, for example, the finest granularity is the cell. Okay, so when one mobile node is moving from one cell to another, so that mobile node should update its location whenever it moves from one cell to another. However, if the location information is maintained at the coarser granularity, means for example the area consists of several number of cells. Okay, so this is the coarser granularity. So in that case, the search cost is increased because a large number of cells is need to be paged to obtain the exact location of the mobile node. Another important mobility management task, which is known as handoff. So what is handoff? Handoff is concerned with ensuring that the mobile node remains connected to the network from moving one cell to another. Okay, so handoff conceptually involves several subtasks, like first is deciding when to hand off to a new AP. Second is selecting a new AP from among several APs in the vicinity of the mobile node. Third is acquiring the resources such as channels. And fourth is informing the old AP so that it can reroute the packet it gets from for this mobile node, and also transfer any state information to the new AP. Okay, so this is regarding location management. So location management assists in establishing the new connection to a mobile node, whereas handoff ensure that the mobile node remains connected to the network. Okay, so next topic we will see in the next section. Thank you.